Welcome back, my favorite game developers. In this video we are going to make our boss angry. So as you can see, I've created a transition in here. I've created a trigger that we didn't use, and we go from walking to get angry to angry walking to angry attacking. So let's see how that looks in our game. I'm going to maximize on play. I'm going to go to the Skelly boss and go to the angry walking and make the speed 5. Save that and maximize on play, run the game. So now you should see the boss gets angry, he gets bigger, and now he walks much faster, and you notice that he does a lot more damage and we can get away. You can see that right now our health has been depleted. We try to shoot him, he doesn't have a health system. What kind of game this is? And now we succumb to our death by dying. So with that out of the way, we go back to the main menu, we break a couple of glasses, we cry, and we try to exit the game, but it won't allow us. So let's not waste any more time and let's get started. Okay, so now it's time to take our boss to the next level, and by next level I obviously mean to get him angry. Don't worry about the shooting, we will deal with that later on. We already know all the shooting mechanics. So I'm going to create a transition from the regular walking to the getting angry. And in here I'm going to create a new trigger, or actually a trigger. So I'm going to call it get angry. So when we are walking, we get angry, and then we transition to the anger. So we become bigger, we become faster, and we become stronger, I guess. Well, obviously we will become stronger. And then when we transition from the get angry, when we finish the angry transition, we will transition to the get angry. So let's look at that. We get angry, we finish the animation, breathe a bit, and then we will start walking back again. So excellent, all of this works perfectly fine. The next thing we're going to do is we'll create a transition from the angry walking to the angry attack and a transition back, and we're going to remove any exit time in here, and I'm going to make this exit time in here around 90. How long was the previous one? So in here 97. Okay, then 97. So when we are attacking, let's test out. Attack once, twice, twice. Okay, excellent. So we have everything set up properly, and we are going to use the same trigger right here for the attack, because why not? We can do that. Save all of that, and now we have the angry attack. Obviously, when we are attacking, we want to have more damage, we want to have a bigger angry radius. So for that, I'm going to issue you a challenge to make the boss angry attack. So first of all, create a new method that handles the angry attacking of the boss. This attack should have a bigger range and a stronger attack, so you'll need to create variables just for that. And add the events into the angry attack animation. So with that said, pause the video right now and go create the new angry attack. Hey, welcome back, my fellow game developers. Let me just show you what's going on in our Discord server for a second. This is a person that I am going to help, and as you can see, he sends me a bit of code, I send him a bit of code back. We have a chat, we have chats all the time in the general game development and so on. This is so active all the time. People are helping each other. I try to help as much as I possibly can, so make sure to join the Discord. I should have talked about this earlier, but no worries about that. Let's just finish this video so I can go help Mark out. So I'm going to scroll up in here, and I'm going to create two new variables. The first one is going to be a serialized field integer, and it's going to be the angry damage amount, and let's just set it as maybe 30. So 30 or 40. So we double, because we double the size, we double the amount of damage. And a serialized field for the float and the angry attack radius. And there we go. We save that. Let's go ahead and remove this. And then I'm going to scroll down in here. And by the way, if you want, you can draw the attack radius in here also, so the angry attack radius. I'm not going to do that. I don't think that's necessary. I'm just going to create a new method in here for the angry attack. And there is another philosophy to this, or another way actually, not philosophy, but you can call it philosophy if you want to sound fancy, like I want right now. We can, instead of doing another method, we can actually change the one we have in here. But I think it's more appropriate to create a new method just for the sake of not having any confusions. So angry attack player, and we are going to do exactly the same. So in here, another thing that we can do is perhaps maybe just make this part of a general variable, just so we don't have any redundant code. But we are just going to copy this, paste it in here, and we are going to remove the print in here and in here. This was just for debugging purposes. I always recommend you use this or the debug.log. And instead of the damage amount, we are going to use the angry damage amount. And instead of the attack radius, the angry attack radius. We save that. We go back into our game. We check the animations on the Skelly boss. The angry... where is it? The angry attack. Angry attack, so it's the first one. Let's look in the scenes. We are attacking angrily, and on the swing, there we go. So in here we add an event we call the angry attack, and now we swing down on this right here. We add another event and we make the angry attack player. So save that. Let's also go into the, where is he? The Skelly boss. Scroll down, angry attack radius. This one was 3. Let's make this one 6. Save that. Maybe even if it's not very logical when we have the sword, just imagine as if we have some kind of, I don't know, maybe some force field or something. I don't know. So now we save all of that. We run the game, and we should see that now he gets angry and he does absolutely nothing because there is something that we forgot to do. If we go to the animator, we can see that angry walking doesn't have any behavior. So let's try to add the walking like that. Nope, it doesn't work. Add behavior, and we'll just the boss walk. There we go. So now we have an attack range. Let's make it a bit bigger, so maybe 4 because he's bigger, and the speed becomes 4. Save that, run the game, and now we should see that he gets angry, and now he is faster. So as you can see, there we go. This is his attack. It's much faster. It deals a lot more damage, and he is a bit quicker. Maybe we'll make him even more quick by adding a 5. Whoa, no, 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 no. Yep, there we go. So as you can see, when the boss is angry, he is really angry, obviously. But there is one problem. You might have noticed it. Well, it was not very hard to not notice, is that we immediately go to the anger state. And this is not something that we want, but this is something that we will have more control of once we have a health system for our boss, which is something that we'll do in the next video. So make sure to commit your changes, and I'll see you in the next one.